Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to see who likes you on Tinder without paying. So let's dive in. Now, in order to see who likes you on Tinder, you have to pay a monthly subscription in order to be able to access the full services of Tinder. So you can see here everyone who's liked me has been blurred, and all I have to do is pay the gold subscription to unlock this service. But what you can do is you can click on topics, click on top picks, and it is going to show you the people who are most likely to like your profile. And this is algorithmic based on your interests and how well you match. So when you look at the topics, you're looking at the people who are most likely to view your profile. And from there, you can deduce that they will be more likely to like your profile. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.